Hello everyone, it's Louise from Flycast. Today we're going to explain how to improve conversion rate optimization for Google Ads or pay-per-click advertising using best practice landing page design. A landing page is a single web page that appears in response to a user clicking on an online ad. Their main purpose is to convert your website visitors into sales or leads. They drastically increase your conversion rates and significantly lower the cost of your advertising in general. They gently force users to call or contact you immediately because you don't want them to get distracted as it wastes your money. They are the main driver for conversion rate optimization in any paid campaign. Let's take a look at some examples. Here's an example for a company trying to generate plumbing leads. There are quite a few issues with it. The first one is that fact that they've left their main navigation across the top. This distracts users and stops them quickly converting, as they can wander off and look at other parts of your website. The page also contains another large navigation area that goes to all sorts of unrelated services, which will confuse users who wanted just plumbing. It's full of text which no one is really going to read. Most of the time, people want easy answers associated with the actual service they require. Also, it's got a really tiny telephone number, which will cause issues for people wanting to contact you quickly. Here's a better page for the same service. Arguably, the telephone number is still a bit too small. It also still has the distracting main navigation across the top, which will again cost them conversions. But it's much more obvious what the page is about and easier to see their value proposition. Although it still has too much text, and it's proven that people don't really read this. Here's a much better one from the same company. It has a really clear message at the top, the navigation has been completely removed, which is best practice, and this page has a clear headline, which will convert users much more quickly. And it's very obvious what's going to happen when users take action. I'm being picky now, but having two buttons here could be seen as slightly confusing. Further down, there are very clear sections, enabling users to determine exactly what service they need the most. Again, a clear telephone number, previous customer testimonials, which really make a difference, and even right at the bottom of the page, it contains clear value propositions, ensuring nothing is missed by the user. Having a second form at the end of the page is also a great idea, as on touchscreen devices, people scroll down very quickly, and it's best practice to give them another opportunity to convert here too. Here's our own site. If we go to our general PPC services page, you can see there are already quite a few of the same distractions I mentioned before. Sending a user interested in our Google Ads service to this page would work, but sending them to this page means our conversion rate is much higher. As you can see, it's got no main navigation, meaning they can't get distracted. Clicking the Free Proposal button gets them straight to the form. It's got a really big telephone number next to a very obvious credibility statement. Some examples of clients that we work with. Customer testimonials to add credibility and social proof. Very obvious benefit statements. And some more at the bottom of the page to catch users that scroll further. And another call to action with a big telephone number. All of these changes ensure that this page will convert users into customers faster and at a much higher rate. In summary, implementing best practice conversion rate optimization using landing pages like these means you will spend less and get more from pay-per-click advertising.